Fresh air can transform how a home feels. A steady breeze cools living spaces, refreshes indoor air, and makes everyday living more comfortable, especially in homes that rely on natural airflow. For homeowners in Mandeville, casement windows are one of the most effective window styles for capturing breezes and improving ventilation throughout the house. Why natural breezes matter at home: good airflow helps regulate indoor temperature, reduces stuffiness, and creates a more pleasant atmosphere. Homes that lack proper ventilation often feel stagnant, even when other comfort systems are in use. In Mandeville houses, natural breezes provide a simple way to improve comfort without constantly adjusting indoor settings. The right window design makes all the difference. How casement windows are designed to catch air: casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door. Unlike sliding or single-hung windows, they can open fully. This design allows casement windows to act almost like a sail, catching passing breezes and directing them into the home. For Mandeville homeowners, this means better airflow even when outdoor winds are light. Directing breezes exactly where you want them: one of the biggest advantages of casement windows is control. Because they open outward, homeowners can angle the window to guide airflow. In Mandeville homes, this makes it easier to pull fresh air into living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens. Breezes can be directed across seating areas or toward warmer parts of the house for better circulation. Supporting cross-ventilation throughout the home: airflow works best when fresh air enters from one side of the home and exits from another. Casement windows support this process efficiently. When placed across from other open windows, casement windows help create strong cross-ventilation. Mandeville homeowners often notice that air moves more freely through the house, keeping rooms cooler and fresher. Improving comfort during mild weather: not every day requires full indoor climate control. During pleasant weather, natural breezes can do most of the work. Casement windows allow Mandeville homeowners to take advantage of these conditions. Fully opening the window lets air flow freely, reducing reliance on indoor systems and creating a relaxed, open-air feel indoors. Making window-side areas more comfortable: poor airflow can make areas near windows feel warm or stuffy. Casement windows help solve this problem. By pulling breezes directly into the room, casement windows improve comfort near seating, sleeping, or work areas. Mandeville homeowners often find these spaces become more usable and enjoyable once airflow improves. Easy operation encourages regular ventilation: windows that are difficult to open often stay closed, limiting airflow. Casement windows are designed for smooth, simple operation. In Mandeville houses, this ease of use encourages homeowners to ventilate regularly. Consistent fresh air helps maintain a more comfortable indoor environment throughout the day. Maintaining comfort without disrupting interior layouts: casement windows don't slide upward or inward, which helps preserve interior space. Furniture can be placed near the window without interfering with operation. This makes casement windows a practical choice for Mandeville homes where airflow is needed but space efficiency matters. Enhancing everyday living with fresh air: fresh air has a noticeable impact on how a home feels. Rooms feel lighter, more inviting, and easier to relax in. Casement windows help Mandeville homeowners enjoy these benefits by maximizing natural breezes and supporting comfortable airflow throughout the house. A smart choice for breeze-friendly homes: maximizing natural airflow doesn't require complex changes, just the right window style. For homeowners in Mandeville, casement windows are an ideal solution for capturing breezes and improving ventilation. By opening fully, directing airflow, and supporting cross-ventilation, casement windows help create homes that feel cooler, fresher, and more comfortable every day.